Hello everyone, today we've got Paris and I just cleaned the whole table. You want to know why, Paris? Yes, and I think the fans want to know why. Why? It's because I'm telling you a surprise. What did you get me, Mom? Since you were so good and you know, didn't have any accidents, because a lot of the babies lately have been having some accidents. They haven't been going to the toilet well, so I thought I would get her a surprise because she hasn't been having any accidents lately. So what is the surprise, Mommy? What is the surprise? I want to know. Mom, are you gonna start jumping up and down and getting all crazy? No. Okay, well, surprise is slime. I love slime. Oh my god, I love slime, Mom. That's so cool. Yes, I know you love slime. Well, I got you So Slime DIY, and it's slime, and you make your own slime. Oh my god, Mom, I love slime. I know. Here, you want to hold it? Yeah. You got me this. I love slime. So now I can make my own slime with this So Slime DIY slime kit. So you mix, and there's glitter, water, powder, and then you shake it. And then the first step is you mix, and then you put your glitter, water, and powder in, and then you shake it, and then you get a little surprise, and you add your little surprise, and then that's step 3, and then you and then it's called slime shaker, and then it says no glue, no mess. So, and then it says add only water, and then when you get your other slimes, I'm pretty sure they sell other slimes, Mum. Yeah, they do. See on the back they say, so they say on the back they say. Collect them all. So there's cosmetic slime, pastel, and neon. Mix and combine slimes. Wow! That's so cool, Mom. But now we can make a ginormous slime, but I don't have all the other slimes. Maybe I'll collect them later. I don't know. I don't know. Also, then you first mix. Which step 1 you mix. Step 2 shake, and then you add a surprise. Which surprise are you going to get? What do you think? I like the mermaid one. See, Mum, I like the mermaid. Oh, yeah, the mermaid. It's cute. So you put slime, powder, glitter, or confetti. Add water to the line. Secure the lid. Shake and quickly. 30 seconds. Open lid and wait 5 minutes before removing slime. Add the surprise. And what surprise figurine will you get? These are all surprise figurines. Oh my god, it's so cute. I'm so excited. I know, Mum, I think we got like a turquoise container for our slime. Oh yes, I think we got a green or blue or whatever you call it, turquoise or whatever you call it. I'm just gonna call it I'm just gonna call it turquoise for now because I don't really know what to call it. So we got a lovely turquoise container here, and Paris, you excited to open the slime? Yes, I'm sure am. Let's open it. Guys, yay. Here we've got our little slime surprise. So cute. Oh my god, Mom, look, we got our little slime surprise. Yes, we got a little container, and I think that's a little surprise we get inside. Can we open it, Mum? Sure. We are about to get this open. So Paris, you excited? Yes, I am. See, I think like we have a little back thing, what do you call it? So that is inside container, so let's get it open. Oh, that was easy. Here is our little surprise. Look, Paris. Oh my god, Mom, look. Oh my god, Paris, wow. It's okay. But here is this kind of bag thing, and I guess you get it open. You want to open it? Oh, that's easy. It opens like stuff. Open. Wow, Paris! Oh my god, Mum, can I get out of the way? Paris, when I look here, Mum, I want to see your thing. So I guess we got can you want me to see? Yeah, Mum, can you open it? Okay, guys, we got this awesome golden glitter. Oh my god, it's so cool! I love it. I know. Let's put that down here. And what else have we got, Paris? Wow, I think this is it. Here we got the instructions. I'm not sure the instruction, Paris? Yeah. Now let's open it. I'm sure, wait, this is the instruction? No, but he said. How silly of me. I don't know what that is, so just put that aside. Mom, you're silly. I know I am. I'm very silly. That's not good, guys. I think. Oh no, we're surprised. Mom, can I see what animal we got? Oh, I don't think this is an animal. It's a little cloud or a flower. Sorry. Cloud. I'm silly. Look, guys, we got a cloud. You wanna hold it? Yeah. Oh, it's so cute. Yeah. So we got a cloud. You wanna hold it with me? Yes. Oh no, it fell. It's silly. Hold it? Yeah. I wanna hold it over here. It falls. Never mind. You can go put it. So we're gonna put the glitter and the cloud, which is our little surprise. We're adding this little surprise, which is a little cloud. It's super adorable. And also we got our little powder, blue powder. Yeah, because of the container. Yeah, Mom, I'm so sorry. It's okay. I love the little powder it looks like slime. I know it does, but it's not slime, it's powder. So, I guess you're not using glue for this. So, I guess what we're going to do first is, I've got the, on the back, I've still got the thing. So, what you do is, so you add your, yeah, so the first step is you put slime, powder, glitter or confetti and water to the line. So I think this is the fill line, right, Paris? Wait, where's the fill line, Mum? I don't know what the fill line is. I think I know, guys. I think the fill line is up to there. So see the arrow, guys? You probably can't really see. I can though. Paris, can you? Yeah, Mum, I can see the fill line. So there, which is this, I'm pretty sure. So the fill line is up to here. So we're gonna go fill up the water. So now to fill up the water. So here's the tap. So let's fill up the water. Paris, excited? Yes, Mum, I'm really excited. I'm gonna be filling up the water because Paris obviously doesn't know how to. I don't know how to fall asleep. A tap, which is, oh my god, I'm so silly, guys. So let's turn that off. So hey guys, let me see. I think we filled it up to the fill line. Don't correct me wrong. I think this is the line. I think we did it right. I think we did it right, guys. I think we filled it up to the correct fill line. Don't think Paris. Yeah, Mum, I think we did it to the correct line. Yeah, I think we did. Good job, Mum. Thank you. Okay, do you want to go add the confetti in? So I'm going to go back and add the confetti. Now we're going to start adding the glitter. Yay! I'm so excited here. And also we're going to add in the powder. So I think we're going to add in the glitter first. Ready? Do we need scissors, Mum? No, I don't think we need scissors. See, it's got this one. Good, because scissors is super hard. Yeah, they are. Let me put it in. Put it in. So we're going to put in the glitter. So I'm going to open it. It's going to spill. Okay, I'm going to put this. Because I don't want it to go everywhere. Then I'm going to, there's going to be trouble. I think nah. Whoa! That was big. Oh my god, guys, I didn't know how big this was. Come on, put in the glitter. Come on, hurry up. Oh my god, it's not coming in. Come on. Do you think we're done? Do you think, guys? Yeah, I think we're done with the glitter. Whoa, Mum, that was really... Oh my gosh, guys, look at all the glitter. You can't really see it. I don't want it to spill. Look, guys, look at all the glitter. How cool is that? Whoa! Can you see, Paris? Yeah, look at all the glitter, Mum. I know. It's pretty cool, yeah. Now it's adding the powder. Excited? Yes. Mum, you can do it because I don't want to spill. Yeah, of course you're not doing it. I'm going to do it. Okay, I think we need scissors. This now we don't. Oh my gosh, why do I keep saying that? We don't need scissors. Oh my gosh, I'm so silly, guys. Okay, open this. Okay. I cannot open the powder, so I think we have to use scissors. Yeah, it's funny, Mum, I know. Not funny. Got your mum. Oh, silly Paris, but Paris looks like we have to use scissors, right? Oh, yeah, scissors, yeah. Let's open it. Okay. Why does this keep falling? How silly. Okay, stop that. We're gonna just... Oh, I don't want it to spill. Okay. Spilling, guys. Oh my god. Whoa. There. We're gonna... Mom, we're getting it in. Oh, yes, we are. What was in there? Let's put it all in. So I think we need to cut it more. Whoa, guys. That was a big rip. Oh my god. Okay. Whoa, that's okay. Whoa, it's okay, guys. It's okay. It's a little mess. I'll clean it up later. Well, Mum, that was a big mess. I know it was, but that's okay. So I guess we put in the powder. Mum, it got on me. It's okay. I'm going to clean it up later. Guys, don't like freak out that it got on the floor. I mean, that's a little bit of the mess. I'm going to clean that. That's okay, because I can just clean it later with, like, baby wipes or something, because that's easy. So I guess we put in the powder into the glitter. Wow, Mum, do you see that? Look, it's so clean. Oh, it is. But we'll clean up the mess later. It's just a little mess, right? That was a big mess while we couldn't clean up. So now we can shake. So now we have to put on the lid. So, oh, why does this keep falling? This is silly, guys. Okay, remember, guys, if you have this at home and if you make it, you need to make sure the lid is secure, or else it will spill, and you don't want that. So that's going to be kind of silly because it's so good. Whoa, look at it, Mom. So it mixes. Guys, you want to shake it so it really mixes. Yeah, that's right. Whoa. That's going to be our slime. I know it is. Shake it, shake it. Okay, whoa. I guess we're done. Now we can open it and add our surprise. Looks like we open it. Oh, guys, looks like this is going to look good. Gonna look like, and it looks like that this is gonna be our slime, right? Is that what our slime's gonna look like? Yes, it is. Looks like we're gonna add in a little surprise. Pop it in, pop. Wow, it's dissolving. How funny is that? Look, Paris, it's dissolving, guys. I know that's really, the mix is just standing there. Okay, we're gonna clean that up later. No biggie. Now, looks like we have to wait 5 minutes for the slime to remove. So we have to wait 5 minutes before removing slime. Oh, I'm so sad. That's gonna be okay. That's okay. I'm sure I think we have to leave the lid on, right? Yeah. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna leave the lid on and wait 5 minutes. While leaving the lid on, it's pretty good. Can I eat it? No, you're not eating that. It's a little mess. Well, while we're waiting, I'm probably gonna clean up the mess. So yeah, get back to you guys. Well, 5 minutes. I just cleaned up the table, so now the table is all clean, and I think our slime's ready, right? So I already started to kind of poke it a little, and yes, it is ready. So I just waited 5 minutes and it is ready. Yay! I'm so excited, Mom. Yeah, you want to see? Oh my god, guys, this is going to be awesome slime. Yeah, I know, guys. It's not that, you can't really poke it, but you can stretch it though. It's not really pokey. You can't really poke it, but it is stretchy. I want to stretch it. Okay. Yeah.